It was a bright, sunny morning, and Peppa Pig was packing her beach bag. "Mummy Pig! Daddy Pig! We're going to the seaside today!" she squealed. George oinked happily, clutching his toy dinosaur. At the beach, Peppa noticed something splashing in the water. "Look! Dolphins!" she gasped. Two shiny dolphins leapt high into the air, making a rainbow of water drops. "Wow, they're so amazing!" shouted George. A friendly guide said, "These dolphins love to play. Do you want to meet them?" Peppa clapped. "Yes, please!" She carefully stepped onto a small boat with George. The dolphins swam closer, chirping and clicking. "They sound like they're talking to us," giggled Peppa. The dolphins splashed happily, making waves that rocked the boat. "Hold on tight, George," Daddy Pig laughed. Then one dolphin flipped a beach ball with its nose, tossing it right to Peppa. She caught it and cheered, "Catch, George!" The dolphins joined in, bouncing the ball back and forth. As the sun began to set, Peppa leaned over the boat. "Thank you for playing with us, dolphins. You're our new friends." The dolphins jumped one last time, spraying everyone with a gentle splash. "Best seaside day ever!" shouted Peppa. George giggled. "Dinosaur!" Everyone laughed.